So hey guys, and I hope so that you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel once again. And today we are going to discuss about a very important topic that is maths class in Java. So as you would have heard more about it, math class itself tells you that this class specifically allows you to do some mathematical operation. Okay, so it is just basically used for some mathematical operations and not much more than that. Okay, so let's start with it and try to make that. Okay, I have made some mistake. I have written it as testing.class. That should not be there. Let me just save it once more and let's make it as mm, testing.java. I hope so. That will be okay now. Let's move on to that. So the math class is basically does the math functionalities. Let us see an example of that. Suppose I have written one particular class. Let me write it once more. It's not written here. Let me make a class. So I will make it as class. Any name I can give. Suppose I give the name as, uh, but I can give the for now I can give the name as testing dot testing itself, not anything else apart from that. So public stat. Sorry, public static void main, and then inside that I should give string args, and then let us move on to uh, okay, let us move on to that, and then let me just write a print statement itself. And what should we check? Let us check math.max. What it will do is that it will basically find the maximum of the two numbers that you have given. I'm just saving it and I'm just control B, and let's see whether it is able to execute it finally. Okay, so it's working fine. You can see 2 as an output you can see on the screen, isn't it? So 2 is the particular output. Out of these two, 2 was the maximum. That's why 2 was coming. If I just give 4 and I again just compile it once more, so you can see 4 as the output because 4 is bigger of both of them. So see how easy it was to find the maximum of the two numbers. In the similar fashion, what we can do is that let us just copy paste that, write this as one more. Min function is there that will find the smaller of the two. And then there's a function called, one more function is there. Let me write it again, mat dot, and the function is called square root function or sqrt function. So it will find the square root of that. Let us give any number, like any number you can give, like 16. Let us give 16. So what possibly the answer of it should be? It should be around 4. It should be around what? It should be 4 basically. Now let us give another example. So math sqrt is there. Then there is a function also called as random that gives you a random number. Let us just write that. So random number will give you a random number. Then there is a function called as absolute number. Now abs absolute. So what do you think? What it will basically give you? Uh, I will execute it and show you the exact thing that basically it does. So actually it will basically return you the positive value. Okay, it will try to return a positive value. How it will try to return? I will execute it. Just wait for it. You will be able to see that. I hope so. You could get the answer. And then so these types of functionalities are there, and you can use these functions in different manner. If you want, like suppose if you want more of the random numbers, what you can do is that you can multiply that particular number by any number and you will get again some another random number that you can use. Like suppose you are trying to create some random digits and you want it to be specific the multiple of 8, then you can use that. But for now, just let us just keep it as such and let us execute it and see what the answer for every value we are getting. So there will be an issue that I have not given that ln, so all the answers are coming to the same line. Let me give that ln, it will be much better. Come, everything will come into the new line. Let us give to the first one, control s, and then saving it and executing it. And wow, We can see the answer specifically. So first answer, max of 4 comma 2. What is the maximum? 4. So you can see 4 as the answer. Second one, min. Out of 4 comma 2, what is the minimum value? 2. So you can see 2 on the screen. And then square root. Square root of 16 is 4. That's why 4 you can see. Then math dot random number. You can see a very large random number you can see on the screen. Now, uh, the fifth one, the fifth maximum like maths function that we have just seen, math dot absolute function, ABS. So minus 3.6, positive of that is 3.6, as I've already told you. So this was a short note or short video about maths function. I hope so that you have like got a really benefit out of this and from this particular video. So if you really like this video, please do give a thumbs up to that, give a like to that particular video, and
That's it. That's it I would like to tell you about it. And I hope so that you enjoyed the video. Please give a like to that. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. It's very important for me. Till then, I will just say one thing: be healthy, be safe, and Jai Hind.